Welcome to day 17 of Carrie the Crafter's #Jelly Postcard Play Challenge. And this is the card I made today during my live stream. It's a Dede Willingham inspired Otherworld collage. So all these collage papers were made using rice paper on the gel plate, using some techniques inspired by Elizabeth St. Hilaire and Robin McClendon. So if you want to check out how we made these, just go watch the live stream from today. A lot of the stencils I used were PM Artist Studio stencils, and I'll put their link in below. And I just kind of stuck this little frame on here just to show a few samples of them and what we got up to. The fish and the eyeball, those were images from Collage Soup Something Fishy. And the astronaut and his little pod here, that was from this sticker book I saw Dede Willingham using for her little astronauts. I had fun making this. It's probably not up to Dede standards, but it was lots of fun. I did spray varnish this using the Kamar varnish spray, but I did leave pieces kind of lifting up a little bit, so those are still kind of 3D, and I'm okay with that. I am enjoying seeing everybody's postcards, and I think everybody's really enjoying this challenge quite a bit. So I appreciate you watching. If you want to see, again, this live stream, check out that video that I'll link below or up here somewhere. And I appreciate you watching. Have a great day. See you for day 18.